Hello everyone. Now in this video we will discuss about the next part of our advanced Excel, that is the solver. Now in our goals we discussed that if you want to achieve your target of your percentages, then you can do change only in a single field. That means how many marks is required to get the target as per your choice. Now in the case of the solver, we can apply a number of conditions also. Now we will see it here. Firstly, we are going to take the data as per mentioned on your screen. Now here SS and computers marks are not given and the formula is applied in this box, according to which it will find your percentage scored by you here. Now suppose I am weak in SST and I think that I can achieve only 75 marks into my SS mark as a subject out of 100. Suppose and in computer I will do hard work to score more and more marks because it is an interesting subject and I can do better than as compared to my SS subject. So on this logic, how we will select the solver? Now firstly we will move to the tool menu, then you will click on the solver. Now here the solver dialog box will be open. Now the first one is the target, which is same as like the formula in the goal sheet. Now here you have to put the formula. Just click in the cell and then click on the cell. Now the address will be there, $B, $8. That is the address for your percentage cell. Now the result. What result do you want? I want a value of 80. Then I will mention it here 80. Suppose you want to achieve the target of 81% marks, then you will write it here 81. Now in which cells you want to change the values? Then you will select, put the cursor into the cell and then select it from here. Drag it. Now the address will be there B6 to B7. That means these are the cells in which we will change the value. Now the cell reference, because I know that the in the SS I can score maximum up to 75 mark, 75% marks. So I am just taking this cell address and then choose the operator, because I know that I can score only 75 marks less than or equal to 75, but I can't gain up to 75. So I am fixing this value. So limiting this condition on this cell, then putting a 75 marks. Now there are the only two fields, so you will not take any other field according to the condition. If there are only two fields, then you have to put the condition in only one cell. Then keeping your condition in mind, it will give you the value for the second and the first. Now you will click on the solve button. Then it will show you that solving successfully finished. Now the result is 81. That means your result percentage got 81. Now keep result and then you may check that in SS you have to score 75 marks, while in your computer you have to score 90 marks. Now the target is being achieved 81%. That means to achieve your target of 81%, you will have to achieve 75, and in computer you will have to score marks of 90. That is the way. Now, in this case, if you want to put the condition in the three boxes, suppose I am taking here in these three boxes, then now my percentage is 40. Now, in science, I can get more than 75. In SS, I can get 75. Suppose then what will be the value for the computer I have to do to achieve the percentage of 80? Suppose. Now again, you will move to your tools, then click on solver. Now select the target cell. First you put the cursor in this cell and then select the target. This is the cell in which the formula is being applied and you are getting finally target. Now the value that is 81. Now this time I want to score only 80 marks. Now by changing the value, now in which cell you want to change the value? in these three cells. So you will just click in it and then shrink it. Now select the three cells, then again expand it. Now these three cells address will be there. Now in your science marks, you can achieve, suppose, greater than or equal to 75, suppose 75. Okay. Now in SS, because now there are the three fields in which the value is not known, so we will choose any two conditions for any two of the field. Now we are taking the cell SS. In SS, I can achieve only 75 marks. So you will took you will take equal sign and you will put the value 75. Now you will click on solve. Then keep result. Now it will show you that in science you have to score 75, SS 75, and computer 89. If you will score like this, then you will achieve your target. If you have any doubt, then give me comment in the comment box and please subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Goodbye.